Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's video would be on June Blooms, which will be roses. And let's start with the first DIY. And this is one of the beautiful wooden sign that I got from Dollar Tree recently. So I'm going to start painting all over with one coat of white chalk paint. And why I'm saying one, because I wanted to see those letters, because I wanted to brighten those letters in a different color. So after I gave like one coat, this is how it looks. So now I also took some of this beads from another sign, and I'm just painting all over with white paint, and I'm also going to paint alternate pink. You're going to see later. Now I'm taking one of this marker from some of the art kits, and I highlighted those letters, and I'm going to fill in those letters, the transparent letters. I'm going to fill with this beautiful salmon pink, and that's exactly the pink that we are going to incorporate in all our DIYs today. And this is how it looks after it's painted. Now this is the garland that's got ready with alternate pink beads and white beads, and I actually inserted through those holes, and I'm knotting it down here. And I also wanted to decorate with some greenery and a bow. Let's see what I come up with. So this is how it looks after the handle is attached, and I'm taking two of this eucalyptus greenery, and I'm just attaching with the hot glue just like that. I was thinking to put those on top, but I think the bottom was more prettier. Now I took one of this cute bow, and I'm trying to attach, but I didn't like the look of it, so I went with one cute bud rose there. I absolutely love the final result of this bloom sign, you guys. And June blooms would be roses like we discussed, and pink and yellow are the two colors of June. So these DIYs will have those two colors also. So this is one of the cute sign I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. This video will be part of June Blooms Collab, and this is hosted by Tami or Happiness Created and Ellie over DIY From House to Home. I'm going to leave the links of their YouTube channels in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist. There will be a lot of inspirations and ideas related to June blooms, so please watch all our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use this beautiful tissue paper which has got like bright blooms of roses. So I just love this print. I somehow wanted to add in one of this DIY. So I have this beautiful 8 by 10 stretched canvas, and I just took Mod Podge, a thin layer of it, using a paintbrush. I smeared all over it. Then I place this tissue paper on top of this Mod Podge surface, and using light hands I'm just rubbing all over it to remove any air bubbles, and this method works for me as tissue paper is not as thin. And I'm also taking some of this Mod Podge, and I'm just brushing all over this surface, and I'm going to let it dry. Once dried, I'm going to take this 3D fabric paint, and I'm also going to draw the outline of all those flowers, and also I'm going to highlight all the designs of the curves of the flowers. You know what I mean. So this is one of the flower design. This is how it looks, and now I'm going to work all over the designs, and this is how it looks as of now. And I'm not going to overdo it. I wanted to put some bow, but I thought like it looks beautiful as is, so I left it like that. And this is one of the cute floral design that you can decorate any part of your house. So this is another DIY which is very simple and easy, and I love it. So please let me know your thoughts on this. Let's Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this cute sign that I got from Dollar Tree. It has this beaded garland, so I'm removing that. And using this flat beaded pearl stickers, I'm placing all four corners of the sign just like that, and after it is stuck, I'm taking this white chalk paint and I'm painting all over this board, and I gave like nice 2 coats to get like nice coverage. This is how it looks. Now also using the same pink paint, I just highlighted the beads. Now this is one of the foam coasters that I got during Valentine's time, and I'm taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm sticking that rose coaster in the center of the painted surface. Now I'm taking 2 pieces of the greenery and some flowers to attach that on top of the sign just like that, and this is the same bow that came in the coaster, so I'm just sticking that in the center to finish the look. And this is such a cute and simple rose bloom decor that I'm very much happy with, and these are all the items that I got from Dollar Tree, and it looks something that you can buy in the store, right? At least I think so. Please let me know your thoughts on this. DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this rose light, and this is something that I got from Dollar Tree during Valentine's, I think. And I'm going to do the same process. First, I'm going to paint all over. I'm going to remove this, the tea light, and I'm also going to paint all over with white chalk paint inside everywhere. So I'm going to let it dry. After it's dried, I'm taking the same salmon pink and white acrylic paint mixture and I'm painting all over it, even the gaps and everywhere. For the back part, I left the white as is, and I'm taking greenery and 2 big leaves of greenery to the base just like that. Using hot glue, I'm just sticking it, and I took 2 pink blooms and I just stuck on either side of this light just like that. I wanted to attach a bow, but I was happy with the look, so I left it as is, and I'm very much happy with the end result, you guys. The pink and the white and the greenery and the nice, cozy light coming through it. I am very much happy with the end result, and I hope you would like it as well. So please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to repurpose one of this foam rose flower that it was lying in my stash from a long time, and I just loved this design because it's all complementing all the DIYs today. So I painted 1 coat of white on top and I painted the same pink color on top of it, and I left the borders white as is, but the leaves I just got like dark green paint and I painted the leaves just like that. And after they're all dried, I just took some of this eucalyptus greenery and baby's breath to finish the look. And this is such a simple and easy decor to complement all the DIYs today, and I'm very much happy with this one as well. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. This is a bonus DIY. I wanted to make roses from this crepe paper streamer, and I got this from Dollar Tree, and the yellow is also the color of June. So I'm just taking 1 piece and I just eyeballed it and I just made a curve and I just cut it down, and this is how it looks. It's almost like a teardrop shape, I would say. I'm just stretching to get like a nice flower look there. I also made a ball out of all these scrap papers, and I'm inserting one of this zip tie. After I zip tied it, the excess of this plastic thing, I don't throw them out. I just use them for making flowers like this. So I inserted through the ball of this paper using hot glue. I just stuck it as the stem of the flower, and I'm actually attaching the first petal like that, and I'm going to make it half, and I'm going to attach the second petal leaving like a few inches, and I'm going to cover the center bud by covering all these petals one after the other using a little bit of a hot glue, just like that. Now I'm going to repeat the same process to cover all the petals. I think I took like 25 to 30 petals, and this is how it looks after it's done. Now these are the leaves from one of the rose bush, so I just took some of the leaves. Taking a little bit of a hot glue, I'm just sticking to the base of the flower, just like that. Now I'm going to stick all the three leaves next to each other. I'm going to show you how it's gonna look after all the leaves are stuck. It looks like something you bought from the store. Isn't that cute? I'm going to repeat the same process for the making 3 more roses. Then we will arrange it in one of the beautiful rose cup. And you can make these kind of roses with any color crepe paper, and they are mostly available in Dollar Tree, and I happen to find the yellow one, and this is how it looks, all the 3 roses together. Now I got this beautiful cup from Dollar Tree, which has got like roses all over it, and this eucalyptus bush is also from there, and I just inserted that in the center, and I inserted the yellow flowers on 3 corners, and I also created a cute bow in one corner on the handle side, and I attached one pearl in the center to finish the look. And I also have this baby's breath in the center, and this turned out to be a cute bouquet that you can give it to anyone, as a gift. And I'm very much happy with the end result, you guys. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. These are some of the other rose DIYs that I've done in the past, and this is one of the thrifted item that I got, and I painted with white chalk paint and a decoupage with red roses and some greenery. And this is another DIY, and this is another bottles that I repurposed and I painted with pink chalk paint, and I stuck some of this rose napkins. And this is one of the oil dispenser. I painted white chalk paint, and I used the same rose napkins, and I decoupaged the roses on top of it. And this is another jewelry box, and I cut down some roses from the napkin, and I also beaded the borders and distressed it inside, outside, everywhere. I decoupaged some of the roses DIYs. Roses is one of my favorite flowers, so you will find a lot of rose decor all around my house. So I just wanted to show some of the DIYs that I made with these roses. So yeah, this is another one, and you might have already seen these handmade roses that I did for Valentine's time, and these are paper handmade roses, and I stuck it inside the shadow box. So this is another one. These are some of my social media links in case you want to connect with me. And these are some of the DIYs that we made today using June Blooms, the rose. And I also made one in yellow, also handmade roses. So pink and yellow are the 2 colors like we spoke in the beginning. These are some of the ideas that I want to share with y'all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me, because it will get you notified when I upload videos like this. And I would love to hear all your thoughts and suggestions. And I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to leave in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.